what the inside looks like. Yeah, that's gonna melt down so good. Look at
I know he's bad for me. He just wants me like he's attached to me. So what's standing in? Oh.
you guys, so that looks so freaking good already. Pull it back just a little bit. This is what the sides look like.
He doesn't mind at all. He want my juice like a. He does whatever while he feels for nobody but himself. No, yeah. He doesn't mind at all. He want my juice like a. He does whatever while he feels for nobody but himself.
Lovely Bees edge control.
No, yeah. Myself together. To not give myself a go. I don't know what to do with it. Should've let him go. Oh, go, let it go.
I added my silicone strip to it, y'all. But this looks so freaking good. Like, it is not tacked down. Perfect everyday unit. Don't have to worry about nothing. Swing the head around, side to side. It is not sliding up, down, back. Like that. She looks good.